Welcome to Brighton, Colorado, folks. We're here in the northeast corridor of the Denver metro area, not far from the airport. We're on Bridge Street, heading east towards the center of town. There's one of the welcome signs there in the middle of the roundabout. Population here at the time of the video, roughly 41,000 folks. Got a great view of the Rockies, the old Rocky Mountains. Turning on to Quebec Street, heading north. Looks like you got a lot of new communities coming up here in this side of the city. This community is called Heritage at Todd Creek. Turned on to 160th Avenue, heading east. Turning on to Havana Street, heading north. Looks like some of the properties up here have nice acreages. Taking a right on 4th Avenue, heading south. The City Hall, big building over there to the left. Beautiful day here, not a cloud in the sky. Crossing over Bromley Lane. This looks like a main drag through town. At the Applebee's, King's Shoppers, grocery stores, King's Supers, not Shoppers. Still a grocery store. Fresh vegetables.